SavannahLadell, and on this channel we do all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and self-care. So if those are things that you're interested in, be sure to hit the like button on this video so more people can see it, and also subscribe to my channel, that way you never miss another video. This is a wig from Gorgius Hair, so thank you so much for sending me this hair. I'm here to review this for you guys, so if you guys have been looking for an easy, less than 10-minute look, this is probably going to be a summer jam. Before I start rambling, let's just get straight into the review. It comes in this really cute holographic box. I know you guys have probably seen them all over TikTok. That's where I saw them first. They're all over Instagram as well, and they're really known for their curly wigs. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Now, I was so excited. I did pull it out already. It did come with a net over it, and it came in this really pretty silky bag so you can protect your hair. I opened the wig caps, but it does come with 2 wig caps, which I feel like is really, really nice. And I just pulled my hair back. I know I haven't been on here in a long time, but the last time we talked, I probably had cut my hair really short and it was still like in a very awkward stage. I would say my hair is probably like this long now. So I just slicked it back with some gel and then threw this wig cap on, so that was super easy. The cool thing about this curly hair wig is that you can wear it with any style that you have. Even if you have braids, just tuck them back, put on a wig cap, and throw the curly wig on. It also came with this cute little holographic zipper bag. It came with these clips. It's a purple and pink one, super cute. They also give you an extra band. There's a band that's already on the wig, but I guess if something happens with it, you have another one, which is always nice. They also gave you some bobby pins, which, you know, you can never have enough bobby pins. I lose them all the time. They also give you some tweezers. Now, this is not a lace wig or anything, so you shouldn't have to do any tweezing, but hey, extra pair of tweezers. They give you a cute little edge control brush, and it has the little comb at the end as well. So that's everything that comes in the package. So this is how the hair comes. This is just in a natural black. And so this is what it looks like. And then in just a few moments, we're gonna style the wig, which is gonna be super easy and quick. And we'll define the curls, but I just wanna show you guys what everything looks like. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. And as you can see, it does come with that headband already attached. And then you also get clips in it. So let me see how many clips are in. That way it's secured. So it comes with 3 clips, and then there's also some of the typical adjustable straps on both sides. So this should be locked in and secure with ease. So you just want to shake it out a little bit, and then we're gonna, okay, let me flip over. Here we go. Okay. Whoa. It looks a little silly right now, but I have a big head, guys, so it takes a little moment for me. Okay, let me make sure this is how I want it. Get the clip secured. And so what you can do is obviously put it on. Now this is a little snug. I have a big head, so I need a little bit more room. So I'm actually gonna take this off and adjust the straps really quick. That way my head can breathe. So this is what the hair looks like, just straight out the bag, no styling, no nothing. It looks very natural. It's very full. This is the 10-inch. It comes in natural black, which this is the natural black. It also is available in chestnut brown. So if you wanna spice it up a little bit, go with that. Retails right now for $139.99, and you can also use Afterpay. It looks like they have Afterpay on here, so you split your payments up in 4, so that's always nice. The shipping was so quick. Like, I actually thought, it said originally that the package was gonna, okay, so I think they shipped it on last Thursday. It's now a new week and it's just Wednesday, and I just got it. It is human hair. You can dye this hair if you please. I probably wouldn't do all that, but if you want to dye your hair, do what you want. And the curls are like really soft. So let's go ahead and define the curls. So this is just going to be done in 3 easy steps. So we already popped the wig on our head. That took like 5 seconds. Step 2 is going to be to define the curls, and we're going to do this with water. handy dandy water. So I'm just gonna start spraying this everywhere. And there's multiple ways that you can style this, so do whatever you please. I'm gonna just do this with damping the hair with water and then going in with the custard and just define the curls and let it air dry. I'm dripping like I got Jared curl juice. I'm gonna just use this wide tooth comb and just kind of like brush through a little bit or comb through very gently. Because even though this isn't my hair, it's still my hair and I want to take care of it. I don't want to, you know, be rough with it. If you have natural hair, curly hair, like, you know, you can't just go in and go crazy with it or your hair will break and it won't be pretty. Now we have wet the hair is prepped and ready to go. I'm just going to use a curl definer. This is from Mielle. This is the Coil Sculpting Custard. Also, I know a question a lot of people like to ask, especially when it comes to wigs, is the shedding. I did brush it quite a bit, and so this was the shedding that I got. So it's a little bit of shedding, but I mean, our natural hair sheds. My hair sheds like this. Anytime I comb through it, it's going to shed a little bit, but it wasn't anything crazy. I don't want to take too much product, but I'm just gonna just finger the product into my hair very gently. The curls are already popping. They're already starting to pop. This stuff smells so good too. Ooh. So I'm just going to brush her on through.
Yeah. Leaving me, dipping out on me already. Got what you need, I guess, quickly. Learn yourself through me.
So the product is dispersed everywhere. So now I'm just gonna start lightly scrunching the hair to make it pop even more. And like I said earlier, if you have a diffuser, I feel like that actually would be a lot easier. But I don't have a diffuser, so I'm gonna just do it this way. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, text it and call me. Okay, girl. So I'm back. And I have my blow dryer. And no, I do not have a diffuser, but we're still gonna blow dry it. Oh, no. I'll just do it on
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous.
I'm back. The hair is dried. It's not dry, but it's dried. You saw me blow dry it out a little bit because I actually did want to see it dry with the volume, and I absolutely love this. It's so cute. Like, stop. This is literally like a summer jam. So I really love this hair and I love the versatility with it. You can do different cute little styles. I can't wait to play around with this. I totally give this a wig a 10 out of 10, baby. It was so easy to style, to put on, and it's gonna be my go-to summer jam, okay? So, But yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig from Gorgius Hair, the link is down below in my subscription box. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it, and leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think of this hair. Do you like it? Do you not? Are you gonna purchase it? And if you do purchase it, be sure to come back and let me know your thoughts. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video.